AIMS, probably the best asset integrity system. And yes, it's powered by AI. The future of asset integrity begins here. AIMS transforms the way we see, manage, and protect critical assets, bringing everything into one intelligent digital platform. Customized for every use case, from inspections to monitoring, underwater checks, and analog gauges, all seamlessly connected. Through 3D models, digital twins, and 360-degree views, AIMS turns complexity into clarity. Built as a multimodal system, it works with any data, any device: drones, crawlers, satellites, even quadrupeds, all united in a single ecosystem. And what once took months now happens in minutes. Real-time inspections, data transformed into instant, actionable insights. Using advanced vision analytics, AIMS converts images and scans into high-precision 3D models. Beyond inspections, AIMS is a complete digital ecosystem with custom dashboards, AI-powered detections, virtual asset tours, and automated reporting. Across industries, from pipelines and power transmission lines to LNG terminals and beyond, AIMS redefines how the world safeguards its assets. AIMS, the future of asset integrity.